candy, yum. I love Warframe, whatever it's called.
Hey, you want to see my gun?
No, your gun's stupid. Give me some Kool-Aid or something. Jeez.
It's called Pun. The gun.
You bumble.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, can you give me some Kool-Aid downstairs? Yeah, thanks.
You're gonna go in the woods with me.
The woods? Why are you taking me to the woods?
Because we're gonna go shoot some deers.
Deers? Where are we gonna find a deer?
There's always deers in the woods. Are you dumb? Duh.
Yeah, okay.
If you go in there, here, just move your controller. Look, you know what I'm gonna owe you?
If I go in the wood,
iPhone 11. And if it's not gonna work, controller. New controller. Will that work? And my guns. Here, let me go shoot.
Is that an actual iPhone?
And a gun. Will that work?
Yeah, just for walking in the woods.
And shoot some deers.
Oh, yeah. Well, I have a friend that's a deer. My ass is too tight, so I mean, it makes a lot of sense.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my shoes. Okay?
Okay.
See ya.
Thanks for the stuff. Yeah.
Alright, kid, we're in the woods.
Yeah, I just don't know why, but I mean, okay.
Yeah.
So, what are we hunting for exactly?
What?
What are we hunting for exactly?
We're just hunting for sheep.
Sheeps? I don't even see any sheep. Like, do you see sheeps?
Yes.
No, do you see any sheeps?
Yes, I do.
It's just a forest, bro.
Come here. I'll show you. They've been hiding here the whole time.
What, you saw a sheep before?
Yeah, and I just wanted you to come here and fight it.
You fight a sheep. How do I fight a sheep?
Right there. See that?
Yes. Is that a wild sheep?
Yes.
Shoot it.
Okay, just get it. Just ammo. Alright, shot it.
Ma. Yeah, stupid sheep, take that.
Alright, kid, now it's your turn to shoot. Shoot that little sheep.
Oh, me!
Alright, kid, one more try.
Whoa, this has a laser on it.
Deer, shoot that dumb old deer.
Yeah!
Mom!
Yeah, take that, you stupid sheep. You're coming with me. You're going to be my
Yeah, you
dinner.
little piece of crap.
Yeah, you're going to be my dinner tonight.
Alright, come on.
Now I get a free iPhone 11.
Oh, man, that hurts so bad.
How'd you get over here? You're all the way over there. Out of my face, peasant. Hey, we went hunting for your own safety. We wanted in your misery. You were on your... Okay, buddy. Let me see this gun. You're showing me... Ah, he shot it. Now, peasant.
Yo, shoot him. Shoot him now.
Oh, it's not even loaded. Hold on. All right, I loaded it. And this is the end of your game, bud. Yeah, gotta grab the gun.
Kid, you just did a good job.
I did?
Yes, you
Do I
did.
get my iPhone 11?
Yes, and your controller and your Nerf gun.
Wait, what was that? Was that you?
Yeah, my stomach.
Oh.
It always
So
does
you
that.
said meh?
Yeah, my stomach always goes like that.
Ma.
Shut up, you sheep! Shut up!
That we killed him. Okay, he's gone for good.
Yep, all right.
Oh.
Now let's go. I'm gonna
Come on, let's go home.
All right, now let's go home.
All right, come on.